What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about installing DaRT 10 or OSDCloud. But in general, it's just to get DaRT 10 installed properly. So let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, Windows ADK and Windows PE. What version do you need? Now, on my testing machine, which is PC02, I installed the latest and greatest Windows PE. That's what DaRT 10 needs. Now, I'm currently running 10.1.25398.1. Within PC02, I mounted the Microsoft Desktop Optimization Pack image. There it goes. I right-clicked on it. I clicked on Open. I went into the DaRT folder. I went into the DaRT 10 folder. I went inside the installers folder. I located my language, which was ENUS. I went into that folder. I went into x64. I right-clicked on the MSI, right? And I clicked on install. And I still got this informational dialog box. It just does not like that Windows PE version that I have. What I had to actually do is install an older version, but it has to be version 10. I removed the Windows PE. I went into the Microsoft site. I downloaded an older version, not too old, but the version that I got everything working was 10.1.17.134.1. That is the sweet version that got DaRT 10 to install properly. So I went into this x64 folder. I right-clicked on that MSI. I clicked on install. I did not get that informational warning, and I got this. It went straight to the wizard. I clicked on next. I clicked on I agree. I said I do not want to use the Microsoft updates. Clicked on next. I left the installation folder as a default location, so I clicked next there. And there it goes, DaRT recovery image. Awesome. I got the third option. I clicked next here. I clicked install. I got the user account control, so I clicked on yes. It started installing, and once it's done, you get this, so click on finish. Now, on the desktop, if you click on the start menu, you're going to see all the recently added stuff from DaRT. That is a good sign. Back into the desktop, I open up the File Explorer. And within the File Explorer, I went to the C drive. I went into the Program Files folder, and I went into the Microsoft DaRT folder, and I went into the V10 folder. Now, this is what you need to see. So, quick tip and a cool hack. You're able to take all this information, which I did, right? And I moved it over to my MDT server. The reason why I did this, and it's going to work, you could take all these files and move them over for OSDCloud to work properly. And the reason why I did that is because the Windows PE and the Windows ADK that I have on my MDT server it's working. I don't want to remove it. I don't want to downgrade it at all because MDT is one of those things. If you do something small, it could crash and your deployment server is down. So what I basically did is I copied all this stuff over to my MDT server, and I was actually able to create a new template using OSDCloud, and it used the DaRT 10 with no problem. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.